Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, the channel is all about making money online, money making strategies, money making systems. Then please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell where you'll be informed straight away of any new videos which I do. Normally about 2 to 3 videos a week. Right, let's get on this one. Today we'll be covering how you can make money reading books. So we're going to dive into the world of books and how you can get paid by reading them, and then you'll be writing an honest review. So if you like reading and would like to make money from your passion, then this video is for you. Well, the author of these books believe in their work, of course, and they'll be hoping for positive reviews from the people that read them, people like you. But this is not about giving them what the authors want. It's about you providing an honest review from your personal experience of reading that particular book. So this is all about your angle, how you read it, how you see it, your perspective and your opinion. So once you've registered your interest, they'll send you books to read, normally through the post, or some will be digital copies, and you will read each book and then you write your reviews. Some companies will normally expect no more than 300 words, so it could be 150, 200, 175, but generally no more than 300 words, so it won't take you too long. And most companies pay a standard $15 to $60 for each review, although some will pay $100, but your review will be probably about 1,000 to 1,500 words, which can take a little while longer to do. Now, some of these companies will ask for example reviews when you register, and sometimes even a couple of references. So if you're just starting out, try the smaller companies first and build up your portfolio and some contacts. So to get started, you could do some free reviews first if you wanted, just to get some samples of your work and then to build up some feedback and contacts, of course. And it just shows the companies that you've got some previous experience which they like. So let's have a look at some of these now. I'll leave all the links to these websites in the description below, so you can click on them as you wish and have a look if you fancy getting paid just for reading. So this is Kirkus Media, and they ask for 350 word reviews, and they would normally want the review back 2 weeks after the book is assigned to you. To sign up with Kirkus Reviews, you just send this David Rapp an email. Next one is Reedsy, another opportunity where you can get free new books to read, and this is slightly different. This one is that they actually pay you in tips. So people can read your review, anybody can read it, and then they can give you $1, $3, $5 tips according to your review. So something a little bit different with Reedsy. Book Browse. This is US based. Now, if the companies are US based and all they do is hard copies, they will not normally send out overseas. So you'd need to be in that country like the USA. Let's look at the FAQs on Book Browse. Let me see who writes the Book Browse reviews and reviewer information form. So as you can see here, most of our reviewers are US based for this Book Browse company. So the only way you would get work outside the USA is they would send you a digital copy, and their reviews are at least 300 words. You can see samples of work, of course, but just bear that in mind when you sign up, just to make sure you can provide reviews for these companies, depending where you are in the world. Another one here, what's this one called? This is the US Review, this website is called. Doesn't really say how much they pay, just checks are sent on the 5th day, but they do pay which is the most important thing. Standard reviews, 250 to 300 words. Book list. Let's have a look at book list. They're a member of the American Library Association, and they pay a flat, I think it's a flat $15 per a review. Writerful Books. So it says here that they prefer contemporary novels from America, Australia, British, Canadian, Irish and New Zealand authors, and they pay a reward of $100 Amazon gift voucher as well. But we pay our trusted book reviewers $10 to $50 depending on how in-depth the review is. So obviously the longer it is, the better. But all this is based on experience. And the onlinebookclub.org, and they're not shy to tell you exactly what they pay, and most payouts currently range between $5 and $60 per review. So you can make money if you're interested. If you love reading, then why not get paid to read books? And the other option, apart from signing up with these companies, is to offer your services on places like Fiverr. Now I've noticed probably the average price is probably about $15. I think it's £11 because I'm in the UK. They've done 54 already at $15. I will be to read your book and provide a review. So it's exactly the same type of work. So you could list your services on here if you wanted to. I'll review and critique your book. They've had 33 orders. So there's different ways you can make money. I think Upwork as well would be another place where you could advertise your services. So there you go, just a quick money making video today on how you can get paid just to read books. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for future videos. And if you're interested in making money online, big money online, which is basically, I've been involved in affiliate marketing now for over 20 years. And I focus on high ticket affiliate marketing, where I promote high ticket offers and I earn $1,000 commissions plus. If that's of interest to you, I've done a free course on high ticket affiliate marketing, about 90 minutes long, 4 videos you can just watch along and get a real feel of high ticket affiliate marketing. And the link to this free course is just in the description below, and I will welcome you there if you decide to join. Completely free, 100% free for high ticket affiliate marketing and a chance to make $1,000 commissions. So there you go, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for your time. This is Mark Anthony, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.